I grew up in a small town, surrounded by fields and forests. My childhood was filled with adventures and explorations. I loved running through the tall grass, climbing trees, and pretending I was on great journeys. The world was big, and I felt small but full of dreams. My family was close-knit. I have two younger siblings, a brother and a sister. We spent most of our time together, playing and sometimes fighting, like all siblings do. Our parents were hardworking and loving. They taught us the importance of honesty, kindness, and hard work. School was a big part of my life. I was a good student, always eager to learn. I had many friends, and we enjoyed spending time together, both in and out of school. Life was simple, and my biggest worries were about homework and whether my friends could come out to play. Teenage changes. As I grew older, things started to change. Entering my teenage years, I began to notice more about the world around me. School became more challenging and friendships grew deeper and sometimes more complicated. I started to have dreams about the future, wondering what I would become. During high school, I experienced many new things. I joined clubs, participated in sports, and even went to my first school dance. These experiences were exciting but also a bit scary. I was learning more about who I was and who I wanted to be. One significant change was the responsibility I started to feel. My parents began to trust me with more tasks around the house and with my younger siblings. It felt good to be trusted, but it also made me realize that I was growing up and that childhood was slowly slipping away. The turning point. The moment I realized I had grown up came one summer afternoon when I was 18. It was the summer after I graduated from high school. My parents decided it was time for me to get a job and start earning my own money. They said it was important for me to learn the value of hard work and independence. I found a job at a local cafe. It wasn't glamorous, but it was a start. On my first day, I was nervous but determined to do well. I had to learn quickly, from taking orders to making coffee and cleaning up. The work was hard, but I enjoyed the feeling of earning my own money. One day, as I was serving a customer, I saw a mother with her young child. The child was excited about a small toy she had, much like how I used to be with my toys. Watching them, I suddenly realized how much I had changed. I was no longer that carefree child. I had responsibilities, a job, and people who depended on me. This moment hit me hard. I saw the gap between my childhood and my present self. I understood that I had crossed a line from being a child to being an adult. It was a bittersweet realization. I missed the simplicity of childhood but was also proud of the person I was becoming. Embracing adulthood. After that day, I started to embrace my new role in life. I continued to work hard at the cafe and save money for college. I knew that education was important for my future. My parents had always emphasized this, and now I understood why. College was another big step. Moving away from home was challenging but also exciting. I had to learn to live on my own, manage my time, and balance my studies with a part-time job. It was tough, but I learned a lot about responsibility and independence. I made new friends and had many new experiences. I joined clubs and took part in various activities. These experiences helped me grow even more. I started to see the world differently and understood the importance of being responsible, not just for myself but also for others. The road ahead. Looking back, I can see how each experience, each challenge, and each success has shaped who I am today. Growing up is not a single moment but a series of moments that build upon each other. It's a journey that continues every day. I am now more confident in who I am and what I want to achieve. I know that life will always have challenges, but I feel ready to face them. I understand that growing up means constantly learning, adapting, and striving to be better. I still cherish my childhood memories and the lessons I learned from my family. They are the foundation of who I am. But I also look forward to the future, excited about the opportunities and adventures that await. Reflections. As I reflect on my journey, I see that growing up is about more than just getting older. It's about maturing, taking on responsibilities, and understanding the world and our place in it. It's about making choices and learning from our experiences. I realize that everyone's journey is different. We all grow at our own pace and in our own way. What's important is that we keep moving forward, learning and growing. I am grateful for my family, friends, and all the experiences that have shaped me. They have all contributed to my growth and to the person I am today. I know there will be more moments of realization and growth in the future, and I welcome them. Growing up is a continuous journey, and I am excited to see where it will take me next. Each day is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become a better version of myself. I embrace this journey with an open heart and a curious mind, ready for whatever comes next.